To describe the graph of linear equation, the following informations are needed. Number 1 is the slope. Kung naalala pa kung paano pagkuha ng slope, kapag ang given ay equation, dapat ang equation na ito ay nakasulat into slope-intercept form na y equals mx plus b dahil ang m sa formula na ito ay ang slope. Kung ang given naman ay graph, gamitin ang formula na rise over run. Number 2 is the x-intercept. Kung naalala pa, kapag ang given ay graph, hanapin lang ang point kung saan nag-cross ang line at ang x-axis. Tulad ng nakikita ninyo sa screen ninyo ngayon. Kung ang given naman ay ang equation, do the substitution method, where the value of y is equal to 0. Same with number 3. Y-intercept. Kung ang given ay graph, hanapin ang point kung saan nag-cross ang line at ang y-axis. Kung ang given naman ay equation in standard form ax plus by equals c, do the substitution method where x equals 0. Or pwede ring i-rewrite mo na ito into slope-intercept form dahil ang b sa equation na ito represent the y-intercept. Number 4 is the trend of the line. Ito po yung direction ng line. Kung ito ba ay increasing o rising from left to right, decreasing o falling from left to right, horizontal line o vertical line. Increasing kung ang slope ay positive. Decreasing kung ang slope ay negative. Horizontal line kung ang slope ay 0. At vertical line kung ang slope ay undefined. Number 5 is the domain and the range. Ang graph ng linear equation ay line, where both sides are extending infinitely. Kaya hanggat wala kang nakikitang square root symbol o hindi ito rational algebraic expression, the domain and the range is the set of all real numbers. In symbol, the domain of the function is the set of all x such that x is an element of the set of real numbers. The range of the function is the set of all y such that y is an element of the set of real numbers. Ito ang mga impormasyon na kailangan natin para ma-describe ang graph ng linear equation. This is my first example, and number 1, determine the slope. Ang given natin ay graph, kaya gamitin ang formula na rise over run. Ang mga points na gagamitin ko ay ito. Ito ang first point o p sub 1 at ito naman ang second point o p sub 2. Bilangin kung ilang units ang rise at ang run mula kay first point papunta kay second point. Ang rise ay 6 units, ang run naman ay 2 units. Therefore, the slope is equal to 3 because 6 over 2 is 3. Next is the x-intercept. Ito ang line at ito naman ang x-axis. They meet at point positive 2. Kaya ang x-intercept ay positive 2. Para naman kay y-intercept, ito ang line at ito ang y-axis. They cross at point negative 6. Therefore, the y-intercept is negative 6. Next is the trend. The slope is positive. Therefore, the trend is increasing. Lastly, for the domain and range, extending naman sa parehong side ang line. Walang square root symbol at wala ding rational algebraic expression. Therefore, the domain is the set of all x such that x is an element of the set of real numbers. And the range is the set of all y such that y is an element of the set of real numbers. This is it. This is how to describe the graph of linear equation. My second example is 2x minus 5y equals 10. Pansinin na ito ay nakasulat ng standard form. Rewrite it into slope-intercept form para mas madaling ma-describe ang graph nito. It is now y equals 2/5 x minus 2. So from the slope-intercept form, ang slope ay 2/5. Ito yon, dito nanggaling yon. Para makuha naman ang x-intercept, substitute 0 to y in the equation. Pwedeng gamitin itong slope-intercept form, pwede rin naman itong standard form. Para sa akin, mas madaling gamitin ang standard form. Kahit na anong gamitin mo sa dalawang equation na ito, iisa ang magiging resulta. At ang gagamitin ko ay 2x minus 5y equals 10. Copy the equation, then substitute 0 to y. It will become 2x plus 5 times 0 is 0 equals 10. 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 5. Therefore, the x-intercept is equal to 5. The y-intercept is negative 2. Sa kung nakuha yun, ito yon, si B. Ang trend ay increasing dahil ang slope ay positive. For the domain and the range, wala tayong nakikitang square root symbol. Hindi rin ito rational expression. Kaya ang domain at range natin is the set of all real numbers.